Amadiọha is the primordial deity of sound, tune, just like saying Bantu, body, and sound. With the human body, we are created with so many beautiful and amazing things. That's why we are fearfully and wonderfully made. Amadioha is associated with Set, um, and Amadioha is the same thing our Yoruba brothers call Sango Shango. You know, Amadioha is the god of thunderstorm and moisture. Because if you look at the tongue, it's moisturized, and then you look at, in fact, the mouth uses the four elements, and when the four elements is combined together, that is what we call Amadi Oha, Ora, Amadi Ora, Amadi Oha. You know. Now, when you bring the four elements together, it becomes the Amadi Ora or Amadi Oha, which means you're speaking with fire, water, earth, and air. You see? So that is why Amadioha is a primordial deity and is also ruled by trickery. Why? Because the mouth is a liar and the mouth is also truthful. The mouth is deceitful. You know. So a lot of people associate Amadioha with Ekwensu, but Amadioha is no is not in any way related to Ekwensu. Amadioha is its own primordial deity that rules sound, spoken word. This sound we make out of the human essence is actually very, very, very powerful. That is why our sound is a spell. And when you speak thunderstorm power. It struck like thunder. That is why our voice, our sound is very, very powerful. And we call it Amadi Oha. Why? Because you use the four elements to speak. Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo, fire, water, earth, and air.